Hello, everyone. My name is Leonard Hutton. I go by Lenny, but this is my introduction for AEP 800. I am a junior ROTC instructor in Bedford, Virginia. I teach Army Junior ROTC. I'm the assistant instructor for our program. I work with a lieutenant colonel, and I am a retired first sergeant. We work at a consolidated CTE facility, which is for the county, for Bedford County Public Schools in Virginia. We get our students from all three of the base high schools. Of course, with this year, things are, totally different with the circumstances, situation with COVID. But normally, our students come to us in two different groups, one group in the morning, one group in the afternoon. But with everything going on with COVID, we have students that stay with us permanently throughout the school day this year. And so it's been interesting, and we're kind of operating on what they're calling a hybrid system, where we have days of instruction and online instruction combined. So, and I'm sure, everyone is facing the same challenges that we are. I'm sure ours are none different than anybody else. But what's interesting is having the opportunity to interact with other people and just seeing how they're dealing with it. And that's what I'm looking forward to out of this class, is hoping to be able to learn how other areas, other school districts are dealing with the concerns and the issues that we're dealing with hybrid instruction, and how they manage it. Maybe there's things that other programs are doing, that how using technology in different ways that can be beneficial, maybe something that we've not thought of or heard of. So that's what I'm looking to get out of the class. I think my technology strengths are, I am Google level 1 certified. I'm pretty proficient with the Microsoft suite, and just from the Army, working with Army documents and PowerPoint presentations and things. So, and of course that transitioned pretty well to the Google suite. So in our district, we are required to be Google level 1 certified, and I have completed that. So that was a good thing. That's pretty much my strengths. and I've got plenty to learn in those things, of course. And so I'm hoping, through the process of this course, I can learn other things that can help me be beneficial, maybe things in Google that I'm not familiar with, or things in Microsoft that I'm not familiar with, and then other platforms that may be available to us as teachers to use. So I'm excited about the year, or about the class, and I'm hoping to learn some from everyone. Thank you so much for your time.